Hello, we continue talking about Red Wing shoes, the Red Wing Rovers. It's been 5 days since I started to break them in and I have to say something. So here's my update. First of all, let's see the quality of the boot. As you can see, the welt is not leather, it's some kind of pressurized plastic, and in some places it's cut very close to the threads. And I had to glue this boot already because the outsole fell apart in one place for about an inch of space. So let's see, the back side become malleable and the front side have some creases. I want to apply mink oil, which I will do later in next video. In this boot I have issue with the arch support. My leg actually have issues here on this piece of rounded leather, and also right here where arch support my foot still aches. Also I have toe rubbing in toe cup on this leg. On this boot I have heel slip in this part. So does this boot feel comfortable? No. Will I continue to work them? Yes. See you in the next video where I apply mink oil to try to decrease amount of creases, because this leather to me looks like it's damaging. So I want to preserve it. Bye.